Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Smash, and today we are going to do some preparation questions for IGCSE Maths Extended Exam. So please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. So let's go to the first question. So the first question, it says, John buys a pair of shoes for $6.60, and he also buys a sweater and a biscuit. So the answer here is the price of a sweater is twice higher than the price of biscuit, and the ratio for the cost of sweater and the cost of shoe is given, so which is 3/2. And you are asked to find the price of a sweater, the price of the biscuits, and the total amount where John spends. So to tackle this kind of question, I always use variables, so which can help me to clarify. So let's say that let x be denotes the cost of sweater and y the cost of shoe, and we know the cost of shoe is 6.60, and another is we have the cost of sweater divided to the cost of shoe is 3/2, so which is we have 3/2 equals to x, the cost of sweater, divided by 6.60. Then to find the unknown variable here x, you just multiply, you just cross both or multiply both sides by 2, and again or you just do the cross, so which is x times 2, you'll get this one, x times 2, which is 2x equals to 3 times 6.60 is 19.8. Then just to find again x, you just divide both sides by 2, so which is the answer, you get $9.9, so which is the cost of sweater. And to find the cost of biscuits, so let's say the cost of biscuits is z, then we know that the price of sweater is twice higher than the price of biscuit, that is x is equals to 2z. So to find z, which is just divide both sides by 2, then that equals to x/2, so which is 4.95. 9.99 divided by 2 is $4.95, so which is the cost price of biscuits. So to find the total amount where John spent, so we just add up all, so which is x plus y plus z, which is you'll find 21.45. So the second question is, we have Ali buys a car of $25,000, and each year the value of a car decreased by 12% of its value at the beginning of that year. Then calculate the value of Ali's car after 20 years. And it says give your answer is correct to the nearest dollar, so which is the nearest whole number. So we have this formula here. So the compound percentage decrease is given by the cost price, or the amount, times 1 minus the rate power, or to certain time here. And the compound percentage increase also just the same, the only difference is this subtraction and addition here. Now but here we have the decrease, so which is we are asked to find the compound percentage decrease. So if it was increase, you use the second one. So the value of Ali's car after 20 years is this one, so which is the cost price, or the amount, 25,000 times 1 minus 0.12, which is 12%, is the same as 0.12, which is 0.88. Then x powering 20, or we have an exponent 20 years, then which is you get this one, 1939.09, but you are asked to find to write your answer is correct to the nearest dollar. So which is, since after decimal we have 0, we put this one. So $1,939 is the value of Alice car after 20 years. The third question is, a copy of book costs 3.25 to print. The selling price is 11.20. Then you are asked to find the percentage profit. So we have a formula here. Percentage profit or loss is difference. So that is the selling price minus the cost price, or vice versa. It doesn't matter, divided by cost price times 100. So here we have this 3.25, the cost price, and this is the selling price. So substituting to the formula, you get the percentage profit, so which is 244.6%. So this next question is, Joseph buys coffee pots for 300 each. 300 US each. He sells a pot at a profit of 25%. Now, how much does Joseph sell each pot? Now, remember this formula here. We have a profit difference over cost price times 100 here. So we are applying the same formula here. So let's say X be the selling price of each pot. Then the percentage profit is, you have 25. So we have just substitute here. So this is the selling price minus the cost price divided by the cost price multiplied by 100. Then if you divide both sides by 100 and recrossing, so you get this one. Then after recrossing, you get, so you 25 over 100 times 300 equals to X minus 300. So which is, this is 75. Then taking this to the left side, you have positive, since because of this minus. Then this is X, so which is the value of the selling price of each pot. So the fifth question is, you are asked to simplify the following without calculator. So remember, when you have this kind of things, you just check the bases, and so to multiply, just add up this exponent here, and for the division you just subtract. So here is the rule. So if you have this one, so remember this, we have the same base A, then you just take the exponents and add up them, then you get this one, and for the division you just subtract. So provided that we are concentrated here, A is, restricted here, A is different from 0. So for us, we have 3, the base is the same, so which is 3 to the power of 6 over 3 to the power of 5. Then subtracting again, we have 3 to the power of 6 minus 5, which is 1. So the answer is 3. So what about if you have this kind of question? Then for this kind, we just remember to write everything in as its prime factorization. And we have another rule here, a be the power of n. Then we just distribute here n to a and b. And if you have this one, exponent of exponent, then just multiply. So here we have 4. So the prime factorization is to the power of 2. And for the x, we have to the times 3. So then you look at the like terms here. So to the power of 4 times to the power of 5, which is to the power of 9, and we have 3 to the power of 6 here, and here to the power of 2 to the power of 4 to the power of 6, 3 to the power of this come here, and 5 come here. So applying the rule here, so you get to the power of 9 minus 6, 3 to the power of 6 minus 2 over 5, and the simplified form of this is to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 4 over 5. So the last question for today is this one, so which is, you are asked to simplify the following again without calculator. So again here we have 3 power of minus x plus 1 equals to 1 over 81. So again, do not forget to write everything as its prime factorization. And here we have another rule, which is this one. We say these two natural numbers are equal, then if and only if here their exponents also equal. So we have 3 to the power of this one, and 81 can be written as this prime factorization, which is 3 to the power of 4, which is equal to 3 to the power of minus 4. Then applying the rule, we get this 3 minus x plus 1 equals to here minus 4. Sorry for the mistake, it is minus 4, and this minus x is equals to minus 5. Minus 5. Then multiplying both sides by minus 5. Minus x, which is equals to x equals to 5. So the answer is x equals to 5. So thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.